have a good squad, not a good individual players. Obviously, the missing the players is difficult for us because I need to benefit some things about the next match. It's not possible to play all players in the position. I need to do some chances, not only in the first half, during the match, because sometimes the people only thinking about the first half, because during the match you need some things, and when you don't have a squad, defense suspenses, some injuries, it's difficult during the match to change the situation because the bench is not too much opportunities for change this. And against Kerala, I think is a very good team. The club, Kerala, have done a big effort to sign very good players. I am not a coach to find such excuses, but it's very easy. For me, it's not surprise some situations. For example, I told the club before. The pre-season is very important. Last two years, how much players injured? This year, a lot of players injured because I think the pre-season is not the same the last two seasons.